rise of shadow AI and how to avoid it. So what is shadow AI? Well, it's that pesky productivity hack that your agents use, that your employees use. If you don't provide AI for your employees to do their job faster and more efficient, then they will look for alternatives themselves. I mean, wouldn't you want to make your job easier? If you wouldn't, then I don't know, man. Why would you want to perform crappy tasks that are repetitive over and over? Well, whatever you set your mind to on this topic, it doesn't really matter. People have their own understanding and their own way of thinking and their own way of feeling about their work and about how productive it is. It's pretty simple. If you don't provide the latest tech stack to your employees, they will easily get bored, and that easily transforms into turnover, which is expensive, which you don't want. The more successful companies have long-lasting relationships with their employees, and that's no easy feat, right? Among the things that make people happy, of course, a good salary, vacation time, bonuses, trainings, motivation. You also have the tech, right? If they work in a crappy environment where they have to repeat tasks, then they will easily want to change the job. Now, the results are staggering, and depending on the niche, it looks like up to 250% AI use in some industries is being practiced, like in financial services, in manufacturing, in healthcare, travel, hospitality, and retail. Retail being the lowest one with 169%. Now, this normally shouldn't be an issue, and I would encourage people to be creative and make their job easier, and also provide better support, and also be more productive, and to get more done in order to probably serve people better, because we are talking about the customer service industry here. By the way, my name is Dominic. I'm a customer experience enthusiast, customer ninja, as our editor calls me. Over 15 years of experience, 12 years of being a Zendesk consultant, and I deal with this stuff every day. So it's not just about setting up Zendesk really well and having a customer experience strategy. Amongst the points in the customer experience strategy, because I'm getting certified with that as a CCXP, it says that you have to keep your employees happy. And if you've ever been on this channel, I always say, happy employees make good results. So here's 4 ways to make yourself proactive on this issue. Rather than letting your agents go at it alone, there's some risks, obviously. If they share your data with some random AI tools that they find out there, that leads us to the first point, which is you want to improve and safeguard your data. Up to 90% of people using this shadow AI term, they just share their data. Please help me with this stuff, and then they share data which is sensitive, that shouldn't be out there in the wild, and that's not good, is it? Right? You don't want people's data to end up in random AI tools that can, collect that data and potentially cause fraud. This is a massive data breach and security violation, and you don't want to be at the end of a lawsuit involving this kind of crap. Now, having an AI tool that strictly follows these necessary security measures and privacy protocols is key. Second point here is connectivity that drives real business value. An AI tool that is pre-built in your agent workflows can work wonders. Now, this helps agent deliver consistent, high-quality service, and all in the confinement of your privacy policy and safeguarding of your business. Now, there's a benefit to all of these things, which is the point number 3, that AI becomes smarter with time. So if you have one AI tool that learns from everybody, it will only become better, because you feed it information, it learns about you, it learns about your business, it learns about your processes, and then it can provide standard replies that have a history of being trained in the background. It's like everyone else. The more you teach it, the better it becomes. The fourth and final point is real-time insights for smarter decisions on the fly. Unlike the shadow AI, this AI that is seamlessly integrated into your system delivers real-time data and insights that help your team make faster and more informed decisions. Not to mention, this helps your business spot trends easier and to make sure that you take action on those. Now, instead of sitting back and just letting people do their thing and potentially making you end up in a really bad lawsuit, you'd much rather want to integrate AI into your system already built. Like, for example, in Zendesk, the advanced AI, the Zendesk QA AI, which is quality assurance, and then the workforce management AI, which is also there to enhance productivity for your teams, and this to help make your teams happy so you can make your customers happy. So there's two folds. There's very complex workflows in the middle, but if you take care of them one by one, which is this one is very important, then you can take care of the other, which is the bread and butter of your business. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this, and I'll see you in the next one, and have a good day. Bye.